I am now right in front of Umeda. This is the world's largest camera store, 8 stories high. Electronic shop actually in Osaka, Japan. It's wild, it's crazy. They got a lot of stuff that we can't buy in America. And we are going to go inside right now and take a look. So come join me as we photo walk into Yodobashi. So what do we have on all these floors? We got bicycles, we got chairs, we got iPads, we got printers, computers, phone stuff, the cameras, as you know, musical instruments, TVs, washing machines, refrigerators, Nintendo, restaurants. There's a lot here. Let's go upstairs. I've never seen so many tripods in my life. Never. Yodobashi is a total sensory overload. I'm seeing things I haven't seen in years, cameras I haven't seen for decades. I'm seeing brands I didn't even know were still alive. Remember the Olympus Tough? I used to jump on these things about 15 years ago. It wouldn't be a Japanese electronic shop without a robot named Eddie, right? I've never seen this back home. Headphone cleaner. Or they call them an earphone cleaner. Either way, interesting product, something we probably all need. 97 inches. Godzilla, of course. We're in Japan. Where else? That's an LG OLED TV for $42,000. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. A fan to cool down your phone. Cool down your phone.
Strap it to the phone.
Because sometimes phones get too hot. I would say that you have never seen so many phone cases anywhere in the world. At least I've never seen them. How about pearls? It's what everybody's always needed, some pearls for the back of their phone. You're just not going to see these at Best Buy. Humidifiers of every stripe and color. Must have something to do with the fact that it gets a little humid around here. Of course, the colorful humidifiers. A virus washer. So these fridges, they look a little different than you might find at Best Buy. See all the doors? We're used to just like 2 or 3. Here, there's lots of them. They have so many. Oh, that was a push button. Okay. I like that. I like that. Panasonic is based in Osaka. That's where we are right now. It's the house brand. What do we got here? Open this guy up. It's the last time you found brochures in your refrigerator. Pretty good, huh? I wonder how they taste. Robots. This is for you Tootsies, a little foot warmer in the form of a Peppa Pig. It looks like a Peppa Pig. Cordless foot warmer. We all like to get comfortable when we play our games, but $1,000 for a gaming chair? A little high for me. Could that be Darth Vader? Made out of many, 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 many Legos, huh? Okay, so a little geography lesson here. We happen to be in the Kansai region of Japan. Kansai, this is where Mr. Mario himself was invented, in Kyoto, Japan. So naturally we've got a nice Lego of Mario here in Osaka, which is also in the Kansai region. It's wild, it's crazy. The prices on the cameras aren't necessarily any better than you might find at home, even though the cameras are made here and don't have to be shipped to America, but they have so much stuff. It is unbelievable, and I've been to some of the biggest camera stores in the world. Nothing like Yodobashi. There's many outlets in Japan. Two of the best ones are here in Osaka and Tokyo. Wild and crazy, as I say. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thanks for watching Photowalks. Please stay tuned for more episodes from Japan and elsewhere. If you haven't already, please subscribe, please like, please share, please comment. I'll see you on the next Photowalk. The light has turned green. I better join my friends. See you on the next Photowalk, everyone.